भारताच्या आदले क्रिकेटर देविका पळशीकराच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला गोंयचे चलयांची सध्या नेटान तयारी चल्ल्या। सिनियर चलयांचो वन डे लीग सीझन येता त्या 6 तारखेर कोलकातात सुरू जातलो। ह्या सर्ती खातीर बरे तरेन तयार जावंक सध्या गोंय आनी विदर्भ प्रॅक्टीस मॅच खेळटात। ह्या मॅचींनी केल्ल्या परफॉर्मन्साचेर गोंयची टीम वेचून काडटले।
भारता खातीर एक टेस्ट मॅच आनी 15 वन डे इंटरनॅशनल खेळिल्ली देविका पळशीकरान गोंयचे तयारी विशीं प्रुडंटाक माहिती दिली।
Have our one day games from next month. So last 1 month we are practicing together. So overall things are as of now going really well. So hopefully we'll do well in this coming tournament. Having her with the senior girls plus junior team is always an advantage. I'm sure girls are also discussing a lot of cricket with her. So someone if you have in your side from the Indian team helps them to improve their cricket also. And Shikha is always supportive. She helps everyone regarding technical and tactical both things. So things are really going well.
How do you get the best out of the girls?
Actually, I don't see mistakes much. I always see the good part of the girls' skill. So the best thing is maybe result-wise, as of now, we have not done that well. First game we won against them. Next 3 games we lost. But margin was very less, I felt. But the best part was under 19 girls are doing well, which is again a good sign for us. With senior teams, if juniors also contribute a bit, it will give us advantage in main matches. Right now we have a set of 21-22 girls with us, so I'm giving chances to everyone. For me, these matches are not more important, right. So I'm not really bothered about the result. I'm giving them more chances, more exposure, so that they can perform well again in BCCI matches. So I'm targeting those matches, not this. Right. So again, I'm not focusing much on the result. But yes, we are trying few combinations in middle order opening slot. So things are little ups and downs, which right. is okay. I'm Absolutely. Okay with it.
So you picked up even talented players from the under-19 setup for
yes,
this.
Yes, we have
pool.
we have 3-4 under-19 girls who have done well in their last tournament, and luckily, as I said, they are doing well in under-19 this matches also.
So the final list would be pruned down to 15 as you'll leave for Kolkata in the next few days?
Yes. Mostly by today or tomorrow we'll get the final 15. From these matches, selectors will select their final 15 and then we are leaving for Calcutta on 4th of December.
भारतांत बायलां क्रिकेटीक आतां बरे दीस आयल्या अशें विदर्भाची कोच तशेंच भारताची आदली वर्ल्ड कप कॅप्टन आनी अर्जुना अवॉर्डी अंजू जैन म्हणटा.
A very good step. Actually, we've been asking for it, I think, for quite some time now. But I think, yes, now, as I said, like everybody have changed like the way to look towards women's cricket. So it's a very positive move which BCCI have made, like to groom the youngsters to improve on the bench strength and all, which is required because not that many number of girls that plays and we don't play that many matches as well. So it's right. a very positive move from BCCI. At the grassroots level, a lot needs to be done where the women's cricket is concerned because still we don't have any school cricket going around that much. That club culture is not there everywhere, all over India. Absolutely. It's not there. So from there we need to start developing it
club
actually.
Culture in cricket.
Club culture, definitely. Right. I think it will change now. After the World Cup performance, it's definitely going to change. People are like much more following the performances of the girls and all. So, and they're looking forward that what's the next series that these girls are going to play.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आणि तुळशीदास चारी.
18वे फादर बासिलियो आंद्राद यादस्तीक इंटर विलेज फुटबॉल सर्तींत असोल्डेचे सेंट एंथनी स्पोर्ट्स क्लब वस्ताद थारले. फायनलींत तांणी नागोवाच्या रॉसमॅन क्रूज स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक पेनल्टी शूटआउटार 5-8 गोलांनी मारले. ही सर्त SS दी माजोर्दा क्लबान मसन ग्राउंडार घडोवन हाडली. फायनल मॅचींत रेग्युलेशन टायमार एकय गोल जालो ना.
पावल दादांचा 2000 आणि पेडर अंकाव 50,000.
दिवचलकार नवो सोमार मोठे उमेदीन मनयतात. सकाळच्यान शांतादुर्गेच्या देवळांत लोकांनी दर्शनाक लायनी लायल्यो. आज सावन शांतादुर्गेचो उत्सव सुरू. नव्या सोमाराच्या उत्सवाक गायकांच्यो संगीत कार्यावळी जातात. दिवचलचो फामाद नवो सोमार.
अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायिका आदि शक्ति शांता दुर्गा महामायिका जय जयकार उदयस्तु जगदम्ब उदयस्तु जगदम्ब उदयस्तु जगदम्ब. देवी शांतादुर्गा माता आज मार्गशीर्ष महिन्यात दिवचले गावात आगमन. त्या दिवस सोमार दुपारची वेळ असली, कडक उन्हात पडल्याने देवीक भूक लागली. या आमच्या गावकऱ्याकडे इथून आवाठात आवाळ्याचे झाड असले, त्या आवाळ्याच्या झाडाचे देवी भुकेक आवाळे खात आपली भूक ठरवली. त्याच्यानंतर ती आमच्या वाळवंटी नदी वचून आपल्या मंजळीन ती पाणी पियाली आणि आता हे मंदिर आहात त्या झाडाखाली ती लावून तिने विसावो घेतलो आणि आमच्या पूर्वजांक तिने साक्षात्कार केले. बाबा रे आपण हांगा देवरत घेवन बसल्या. त्या प्रमाणे आमच्या पूर्वजांनी हांगासर त्या काळापासून मंदिर देवीचे भव्य उभारले. त्या काळात कदंबा राजा आदिलशाह, शिवाजी राजे भोसले, पोर्तुगीज आणि आता विद्यमान भारत सरकार त्या काळापासून आतापर्यंत आमचे पूर्वज देवस्थान उत्सव साजरे करतात आणि कारभार सांभाळतात. देवी आमची नवसाक पावणारी सांभाळकारी सकाळपासून आतापर्यंत भाविक भक्तांना ग्रामस्थान आशीर्वाद दितात अशी आमची परंपरा आहा. आज हो महायाग शांतादुर्गेचो महाराष्ट्रांसून गोंयांसून सगळ्या प्रदेशांसून लोक येऊन जी नवसाक वेळ करतात अशी आमची परंपरा आसा.
इतल्यान हें बुलेटीन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट वॉट्सॅप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.